um, an image into a JPEG. So if, for example, your Wix site requires you to use a JPEG format instead of a PNG or something else, you can convert it. Most of the time, it'll take any kind of image file. Sometimes it will not let you make visual a PDF. So you will need to convert that thing into an image. Here's how you convert anything. So I've got a PNG file right here. I'm going to control click or right click. I'm going to open with, and I'm going to choose preview. You all have preview. And it's going to open it in preview. And I can see this file. So I'm going to click on File. I'm going to export. Notice I could change it into a PDF if I wanted to, but I'm going to export it. And there's my name of my file, okay? And it's going to save it onto my desktop. Now I can convert it to the following format. HEIC is the most recent format for Apple for pictures they have. JPEG, I have no idea what a JPEG 2000 is. PDF, right? TIFF, I can change it into any of those formats. I'm going to make it into a JPEG. And I'm going to kick it up just to give it the best quality possible. I can like get rid of outside images if I want to. And when I click save, it's automatically over here going to save a JPEG as a new format. Guys, that's an easy lesson on how to convert anything into a JPEG or in vice versa into a PDF. That's it.